Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to make sure that your Epic Games Launcher is not running in the background, and to check that, all you have to do is to open your Task Manager, right click on the taskbar right here, then choose Task Manager, or you can simply find it from the search right here. Then after opening the Task Manager, all you have to do is to search for Epic Games Launcher. As you can see here, I have found it. Click on it, then right click on it and choose End Task. And by this way, you stop Epic Games Launcher from running in the background. You can simply try to open Epic Games Launcher again or jump into the next step if this step didn't work with you. Now, the next step, go to the search bar, then type run, or simply press the Windows button plus R, and here you should type %app data %. Then click on OK. It will open up this folder right here. Go back to app data, then once you in app data, go to local. Then once you in local, you should scroll down till you find Epic Games Launcher right here. Double click on it, then go to save. And what I recommend doing now is to delete this folder right here, or these two folders which start with web cache. So what you're gonna do is to simply select them, then right click and click on delete. Then try to open your Epic Games Launcher again, and if this also didn't work, you can jump into the third method. And to do the third method, all you have to do is to uninstall your Epic Games Launcher, then reinstall it again. And to do that, you should go to the search bar, then type remove, then choose add or remove programs. Then here, as you can see, you have many programs and you can uninstall the program that you want. So I'm gonna type here in the search box Epic Games, and as you can see here, you have two Epic Games Launcher and Epic Online Services. So what I'm gonna do right now is to left click on Epic Games Launcher, then choose uninstall. And after uninstalling the Epic Games Launcher, you should go to your browser, then type Epic Games Launcher download, go to Epic Games home page, then try to download the latest version of Epic Games Launcher, and by this way the issue should be fixed. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.